Hey folks, Joe here from Wanda Farm. We're real excited that we now offer an 1/8 of a quarter beef. This is a very nice sampler size of beef for someone who maybe has, doesn't consume as much beef. Maybe you're a single person or you just don't have as much freezer space. So we've designed this 1/8 of beef and it's become very increasingly popular. So real quick, do an unboxing for you to show you everything that would be included if you were to purchase one of our 1/8 of beef. Again, all of our beef is grass-fed, grass-finished. So these animals are raised out on our regenerative pastures and they're grazing. So it's really ensuring that you get not only the best tasting beef, but it's also the healthiest beef you can find anywhere. So if you order one of our beefs for home delivery, we will ship it in one of these insulated boxes. You can see we got some thick recycled insulation in here to keep everything frozen during that transit time. We put some hard bricks of ice in there to keep it frozen. Our 1/8 of beef is going to include some of our rib eyes. Usually you get a couple of those. These things are some of the best. It's also, our butcher calls it the Delmonico. The Delmonico is the same thing as a ribeye. You're also going to get a couple sirloin steaks. You're going to get some round steaks. These are tenderized round steaks. That's key. Usually get about 4 packages of those. You're going to get what's called a sizzler steak. You'll get quite a few of those steaks. If you're lucky, you end up getting 1 tenderloin. We do have them cut. The 1/8 of beef does get cut to T-bones and porterhouses. So you usually get about 3 to 4 of those steaks, but this is the porterhouse, and the porterhouse is the best of both worlds. You got your tenderloin on one side and the New York strip on the other, so you get to enjoy both of them on one steak. The T-bone is the same thing, except usually you don't get as much of the tenderloin on it. So like I said, you get a bunch of those steaks. Then you get some good roast for the slow cooker. You'll get a rump roast. You usually get about another 10 pounds of some chuck roast. You'll get about 3 to 4 of those packages. Steaks. Then usually the second half of the whole beef is going to be your ground beef. Again, we put ice packs in it, keep everything nice and frozen and cold during the time of transit. But our ground beef is some of the best ground beef around. Everybody loves the taste and flavor it has. Usually get about 25, sometimes 30 packs of this ground beef. So there you have it. Okay folks, so as you can see, 1/8 of a beef is a good sized portion of beef yet. And like I said, figure around 50 pounds of meat total. You should plan on having about 2 cubic feet of freezer space to fit all of your beef for the 1/8 of beef. And this is just a perfect size sampler if you're a single person or a couple that does light eating of beef. So go ahead and place your order and set up what month you like to have us deliver this beef to your house, or you can always come and pick it up right here at our farm in Harvard, Illinois. We are looking forward to serving you with our quality beef produced right here on our farm. Thank you.